Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to look at the process of updating your address with the DVLA, for example for your driving license. If you've moved to a new address, perhaps it's a street that's fairly new to their database. Before we get into it, I have written a guide on how to do this. It's on my website. The link to this is in the video description. If we switch over to the DVLA website just now, so this applies just to the UK, and it assumes that you've got an address that's fairly new, that perhaps won't be on their database just yet. I've put some Mickey Mouse dummy data in here just now just to provide this example, but let's take the example that if I put in my house is number 1 and I'll put in just a false postcode just now and we'll click on next. So this is a thing that you might see, your postcode has been matched to an address. Now if like me you may click on other ways to enter your address and find yourself going round in circles and not really getting anywhere. The solution to this isn't really obvious, but it's fairly simple and straightforward, so quite easy. What we do is take out the house number or the house name and the postcode, put in a valid postcode, so one that you know does exist. Now this could be your previous address, your parents' address, perhaps your work address. It just has to be a postcode that works without the house name or number. And if we click on next, it's going to give us a list of addresses for that postcode that we've put in there. Now all we're going to do is select the option none of the above at the moment. We're simply doing this to get to that next step of the process. So select none of the above, click on next, and now the DVLA website is giving us the option of putting an address. So we can put in one test street, then we can put in a post town, so I'll just put in Glasgow, postcode, anything you would like. Now what it does do is it takes the first few numbers of your postcode and matches them to the town that you put in there. So if I click on next, you can see now it's now accepting the address that I put in. 1 year, 0 years, 1 month, next. Then we can proceed and complete the rest of the application form. That's pretty much all there is to it. I hope this has been helpful. If it is, give me a shout and let me know. Thanks again for watching.